The story of Noah and the Ark. A story of faith, obedience, and God's promise. Have you ever felt called to do something extraordinary, even when it made no sense to others? Imagine being asked to build a massive boat in the middle of dry land, with no sign of rain, simply because God said so. This is the story of Noah, a man whose faith changed the world. Long ago, the earth was filled with corruption and violence. Humanity had turned away from God, and it grieved him deeply. But amidst the darkness, there was one man who stood out, Noah. He was righteous, faithful, and walked closely with God. One day, God spoke to Noah, saying, "The world has become full of wickedness, and I will send a flood to cleanse the earth. But you, Noah, have found favor in my eyes. Build an ark, a great boat, to save yourself, your family, and pairs of every kind of animal." Noah didn't question or delay. He got to work immediately, even though there was no sign of rain. Day after day, he cut wood, hammered nails, and followed God's instructions exactly as given. His neighbors mocked him, laughing at the absurdity of his task. "Rain, a flood. You're wasting your time, old man," they jeered. But Noah's faith was unshaken. He trusted in God's word more than the doubts and ridicule of people around him. When the ark was finished, Noah brought his family and the animals aboard. Then, something incredible happened. The rain began. Not just a drizzle, but a downpour like no one had ever seen. The earth burst open, releasing water from beneath, and soon, the entire world was covered in water. For 40 days and 40 nights, the rain didn't stop. Inside the ark, Noah and his family prayed and trusted God's protection. The ark floated above the chaos, a symbol of God's faithfulness to those who obey him. When the rain finally ceased, the waters gradually receded, and the ark came to rest on a mountain. As Noah stepped out onto dry land, he built an altar to thank God. In response, God placed a beautiful rainbow in the sky and made a promise. "Never again will I destroy the earth with a flood." This story is more than just a tale about a boat and animals. It's a reminder of the power of faith, the importance of obedience, and the incredible things God can do through those who trust him. So, what is God calling you to build in your life? It may seem impossible or even foolish to others, but remember Noah. Faith and obedience can lead to incredible blessings. What part of Noah's story speaks to you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below.